down.
Oh, hello there. My name is Jennifer Carter, and I'm here to tell you about gravity and its pendulum force. Did you know that Isaac Newton observed that for every action, there's an equal and opposite amount of reaction? But he did. Today, I'm going to show you how this works. We will need string and a little object at the end, just so you could spread it. Okay. So in the beginning, it has potential. This object has potential energy, but when we release it, it turns into kinetic energy. Kinetic potential. Kinetic potential. It can't give any extra energy when it's moving. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Potential, kinetic. Potential, kinetic. It doesn't really work. Why? Because the string is longer. The longer the string, the more the gravitational force, the slower the object will be moving. The shorter, it'll be faster to move. Let's make this shorter. Okay, ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kinetic, potential, kinetic, potential, kinetic, potential. I told you. It's easier to move. Now, let's see what happens if we make it even shorter. Oh. Okay, so ready and go. Potential, kinetic. Potential, kinetic. See how it's moving faster? This is because the higher it is, the less gravity it has. And that is it for today. I hope you learned potential energy.